Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. We're going to read some cards. So, I am going to adjust the camera so you can see the cards. Okay? Let's see what's going on. In my mind, this is going to be a quick reading. King of Pentacles at the bottom. Page of Pentacles when I cut the deck. So already there's some Pentacle energy out here. Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles when I cut the deck again. Alright, let me see if I can take it to the bridge. Let me try the bridge. A little bit. I did a little something, something. A little something, something, you know. Alright. I hope you're having a good weekend. Well, today's Sunday. It's one of those long weekends, so if you watch this weekend, I hope it's good. If you watch this in the future, I still hope whatever day or week is good. Alright, one more game. Okay. Sarah, what happened to you and I? So, what messages does the collective need to see? What energy does the collective? This is like what comes up, what comes out. What energy does the collective need to see? Whoever's watching this reading, what is the overall general message? We are starting out with the High Priestess in the reverse. In the reverse. So somebody's too passive and not speaking up. They're being too secretive. Or they're having difficulty staying quiet. Either they're too quiet or they're having difficulty staying quiet and being still. You know, some people have really busy energy. They can't sit still. They always have to be doing something. I'm feeling like this is somebody who goes from one relationship to the next. Like they feel like they can't be alone. So, you know, there's always somebody in their bed or waiting in the wings. So that they're never without somebody. And it could be somebody who has abandonment issues or fear of rejection. This person's intuitive senses are weak. Because normally the High Priestess, if it had come out in the upright, this is someone who's very intuitive. And who trusts their inner voice. This person can't trust themselves. And although either way, so for me the pillars is like the dark and the light side, right? So you know, in the upright the High Priestess is very calm and still, but in reverse, again, the person can't stay still. They're always over the place, like distracted, easily distracted, or you know, can't stay in the house, just can't sit still. I guess you would relate it to somebody who has, well, who they diagnosed with ADD or ADHD, although those are said to be pseudo-diagnosis, but that's neither here nor there. The person just has a lot of energy, and they can be very anxious. Again, they can't sit still. They always have to be doing something or someone. Okay, what else does the collective need to know? Ooh, too many. So the Magician came out on top, but I'm not taking all these. Too many. If it's meant for that Magician to come out, it will. Yeah, and that Torah is like something's very secretive, and it's not a good secret. Like, it's one of those don't tell anybody I touched you secrets. The Ace of Cups came out. So this may be somebody that you're dealing with, or the energy of somebody around you, and they're making you feel very emotionally drained or spiritually drained. They're emptying your cup. There's no creativity. It's just very dysfunctional, actually, especially emotionally, right? You know, instead of being gifted with this Ace of Cups, you're being drained. And typically, Ace of Cups is confirmation. Yeah, you're being drained by this person. It's very, very dysfunctional. Okay, what else does the collective need to know? Two of Cups. Yeah, I feel like this is a relationship. Now, with twin flames, again, there could be a light and a dark side, right? So, even if this is your twin flame, soulmate, whatever, this is not a good connection. If it's not talking about this High Priestess in reverse and Ace of Cups in reverse, then it's somebody new that you should be with, or somebody new coming towards you, right? Who won't have you emotionally drained, and who won't keep secrets from you, right? It'll be a good partnership, a good friendship, someone that you can work in harmony with. There'll be mutual attraction and a mutual connection and compatibility with this person. Page of Wands came out in the reverse. Somebody always starts something that they don't finish. They may belittle you, or just they don't support or encourage anything that you're doing. They have an issue with everything. If you tell this person you're doing something new, they always seem to have a problem with it. And somebody's very overzealous, right? So just always be mindful of the energy that you have around you. Who's around you? Who do you have? Who are you sharing your company with? And it could be a relative. I'm picking up that this could be a relative. But again, they don't support or encourage you. If anything, they belittle you or make you feel like you're stupid for doing whatever that you're doing. And, you know, it makes you feel emotionally drained. And you may be wondering, should I still be around this family? Should I go no contact, or at least distance myself for a while? And I'm saying the answer is yes. You're beautiful, right? You're gorgeous. You're handsome. You have creative ideas, but somebody's trying to suppress them, and you don't need to deal with that, even if it is family. Not in the name of friendship, and not in the name of love for your relatives, right? We don't have to deal with things that are making us feel emotionally drained just because society says that's what you're supposed to do. Because this relationship is really not serving a good purpose in your life. You know, they're accusing you of being overzealous because they don't want you they don't want you to pursue whatever it is that you're pursuing, whatever creative idea, whatever outside the box idea that you're pursuing, they don't want you to pursue it. They want you to give up on it. So they'll say things to discourage you and make you feel bad for even attempting it. They just want you to follow maybe the same path that they followed, or a worse path. You know, whether it be a doctor, a lawyer, or to work for a company, and maybe you're meant to be an entrepreneur, or an artist, or a singer, or a dancer. Whatever it is, they don't like it because they didn't have the courage to do it themselves. They have fears and insecurities, or maybe they tried something and they failed, so they feel like you're going to fail too, and they're not even giving it a chance because they don't want to see you succeed because they weren't able to succeed. And that's a lot of times how people's minds think, whether it's good, bad, or indifferent. You know, maybe it shouldn't be that way, but some people are that way, and we have to sometimes face that reality that not everybody who says they have our best interest at heart actually has our best interest at heart. Okay, what else? Ooh. It didn't come out, but yeah, Ace of Swords, another confirmation. You have the mental strength. You have the courage. You have the clarity you need. You have the answers you need. You have the new ideas. You have a strategy, right? You have good communication, right? And this is a gift from the Most High, crowning you as the Emperor or the Empress, giving you this gift. Giving you this gift of that knowledge, that strength. This is your gift. It's not somebody else's gift. And they have no right to tell you that you can't have it or shouldn't do it. Because they're jealous or fearful or insecure. What else does the collective need to know? The world is yours. The world is mine. Is mine. Whose world is this? The world is yours. That's an old rap song from the 80s. Or the early 90s. But I think it's the late 80s. Right? The world is yours. And I really feel like I should end this reading right here. Like I promise you. I feel like this is it. The answer is yes. Yep, that was when this Ace of Swords came out. And my mind said, end the reading after this card. So I'm going to be obedient. But I almost feel like I want to pull one more. Let's see. Hermit. That's how we're going to end it. Maybe you should be in solitude. Think about things from a different perspective. Maybe you need a mentor or a guide to help you seek the wisdom that you need and gain spiritual enlightenment, because that's what you need in this situation. You already know the answers, though. Everything that you need is already inside of you. You just have to tap into it. Maybe you need to meditate, pray, or do whatever it is that you do in order to, you know, not be distracted or discouraged, right? So that you can tap into your higher self and be who you were meant to be and pursue what you were meant to pursue. I hope this was helpful. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.